Access the same data using different protocols with Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP and NetApp Workload Factory. Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP lets you access the same data simultaneously from different environments, operating systems and protocols with no need for data duplication. This means you can access the same files and directories using NFS and SMB CIFS, allowing you to avoid data duplication, its associated management, and its costs. Keep the permissions while accessing the data using different protocols. Let's see an easy way to allow multi-protocol access to your data using Workload Factory. First, we'll look at our NFS volume from our Linux machine. We will now create a CIFS share for this volume. In Workload Factory, go to your storage inventory. Select the file system and click Manage. Go to the Volumes tab and choose the volume for which you wish to add a CIFS share. Choose Advanced Actions and Manage SMB CIFS shares. Click Create SMB CIFS share. In the pop-up, fill in the CIFS share details. You can choose which Active Directory groups will have access to the volume. In this example, we'll give full control to everyone. Click Create when you're ready. The CIFS share is now ready. We can now mount this NFS volume on our Windows machine using the CIFS protocol without duplicating the data. That's it, you're done. Access the same data using different protocols with Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP and NetApp Workload Factory.